never sleep. A distant laugh, a metal creak. Tiny hands crawl beneath the floorboards. Click, click, click. In the attic where shadows creep, porcelain faces never sleep. Eyes that follow whispers low, echoes of a long ago. Shadows stretch where cobwebs cling, wooden eyes that don't mean a thing, but they stare, stare, stare. Their silence hums a hollow tune, cracks in their faces under the moon. They wait, wait, wait. Strings that shiver in the night, fingers pulling pale as fright. In one corner, a baby pale in the other, a box where nightmares inhale. The crank turns, the laughter shatters, the curse awakens, and nothing else matters. The dolls they hum, they sing, a haunted hymn, a broken string. Strings of fear, strings of pain. The Puppetmaster calls my name. Dance, he whispers, you can't hide. The attic breathes, it's alive, alive. Cobweb curtains hide their game. Every doll has a whispered name. Hands so cold, a lifeless mime, ticking hearts that mock the time. Dolls with secrets stitched up lies, painted tears that never dry. They grin, grin, grin. The floorboards creak, the rafters groan. A ghostly laugh cuts to the bone. It begins, begins, begins. Do you feel the pull, the thread? Is it in your heart or in your head? The dolls they hum, they sing, a haunted hymn, a broken string. Strings of fear, strings of pain. The Puppetmaster calls my name. Dance, he whispers, you can't hide. The attic breathes, it's alive, alive. He carves their silence into screams, sows their fear into his dreams. A twisted laugh, a wooden bow. The attic breathes what we don't know. He holds the strings, I hold my breath. A twisted waltz with creeping death. One step forward, two steps back. My soul's the prize, I'm on the rack. There's this thing that moves but never speaks. You hear its fingers in the creaks, eyes in the dark, too real to fake, watching you tremble.